Unleashing creativity, transform your art studio into an optimal creative haven. Embarking on the journey to create your artistic haven begins with finding the perfect location. This sacred spot becomes the birthplace of your ideas, where the seeds of creativity are sown and nurtured in the soil of imagination. The transformation of space with lighting is like weaving magic into the air. It's not just about visibility, it's about setting the stage for creativity to dance freely. Bright ideas spark to life under the glow that inspires your art. Color psychology introduces a dialogue between your space and your inner muse. Painting your studio in hues that resonate with your spirit can unleash waves of creativity. It's like the walls whisper encouragement, urging your imagination to soar. Clutter is the nemesis of creativity, but with efficient storage solutions, you wield the power to banish chaos. This organization invites clarity and focus, setting the stage for your creativity to perform without stumbling over distractions. Your studio is a symphony of spaces, each note carefully arranged to create a melody of inspiration and flow. Setting up work zones is the art of orchestrating environments where ideas can dance freely, unencumbered by the mundane. The power of inspirational decor in your art studio transcends mere aesthetics. It serves as a constant muse, whispering ideas and encouraging your creative journey. Surrounding yourself with pieces that spark joy and creativity transforms your space into a wellspring of inspiration. Ergonomics in the studio is not just about comfort, it's about creating a harmonious blend where creativity flows freely. A well-thought-out ergonomic design ensures that your physical well-being is supported, enabling you to immerse yourself in your art without any hindrances. The secret to an inviting creative space often lies in mastering temperature control. A space that's too cold or too warm can stifle creativity. Achieving the perfect balance makes your studio a welcoming haven where ideas flourish uninhibited. Sound vibes wield a profound impact on the creative process. The deliberate use of music or embracing the profound silence can dramatically influence the mood and output of your art studio. It's about finding that perfect auditory backdrop that complements your creative flow. Incorporating nature into your creative process is like opening a window to an endless source of inspiration. Whether it's natural light, plants, or materials, bringing elements of the outdoors into your studio space can invigorate your senses and breathe life into your art. In the heart of every artist's studio, where tradition meets the digital age, technology emerges as the silent muse. It extends an invitation to explore new horizons, blending classic techniques with digital tools, thus broadening the canvas of creativity to infinite possibilities. The artist's toolbox is no longer confined to physical instruments. It now includes an array of digital assets that serve every medium. This fusion of the tangible and the virtual offers artists the freedom to experiment and express themselves in ways previously unimaginable. Aromatherapy weaves its subtle magic in the creative space, as scents become unseen catalysts for creativity. The right fragrance can transport the mind to a place of heightened imagination, transforming the studio into a sanctuary where art flows freely and ideas bloom. Flexibility in a studio space embodies the spirit of evolution. It encourages artists to seamlessly transition between different art forms, ensuring that the space grows with them. This adaptability fosters a limitless environment where creativity knows no bounds, and every project is a new adventure. Collaboration brings together diverse minds in a symphony of creativity. A space designed for group creativity becomes a crucible for innovation, where ideas are shared, challenged, and refined. It's in this collective exchange that art transcends its individual nature and becomes a shared journey. Creating a sanctuary for your art means prioritizing your health and safety. Proper ventilation and mindful storage of hazardous materials can transform your studio into a haven, allowing your creativity to flourish in a space that nurtures your well-being. Personalizing your studio is a journey to making it reflect your unique spirit. By infusing the space with items that resonate with your personal story, you craft an environment that not only inspires your creativity but also celebrates your individual journey in the art world. A clean and well-maintained studio is a canvas for your imagination. Regular cleaning and maintenance ensure that your creative space remains a source of inspiration, free from the distractions of clutter and disarray, allowing your mind and art to soar to new heights. Embracing budget-friendly studio ideas doesn't mean compromising on quality or creativity. With a little ingenuity, you can maximize your space and resources, crafting an art studio that is both functional and inspiring, proving that constraints can indeed fuel creativity. Inviting critique and conversation into your studio opens the door to growth and innovation. A space designed for feedback nurtures your development as an artist, fostering a community of collaboration and support that propels your art to new and uncharted territories. Every artist's journey is unique, and documenting your process brings your story to life. Setting up areas for photography and filming transforms your studio into a stage, where each creation is a star, ready to inspire and captivate audiences far and wide. In your sanctuary of creativity, dedicating a space to celebrate your art is like setting the sun in its sky, a natural culmination of your journey. Designing a showcase area honors your achievements, inviting others to witness the evolution of your craft, and perhaps find inspiration in your journey. Remember, unleashing creativity in your art studio is not just about the physical space, but also about cultivating an environment that nurtures inspiration and innovation. By transforming your art studio into an optimal creative haven, you can unlock your full artistic potential and elevate your work to new heights. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, and with the right mindset and environment, you can achieve remarkable artistic feats. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos in the future.